Welcome to the 27th Annual WCTE High School Academic Bowl. I'm your moderator, Brian O'Connor, a math professor at Tennessee Tech University. Our match today features teams from Warren County High School and Cookeville High School. Let's meet our teams and our officials.
I'm Isabella Smith. I'm a sophomore at Warren County High School, and I like to participate in drama.
I'm Anna Whittemore. I'm a sophomore at Warren County High School, and I'm a senior Girl Scout working toward my Gold Award.
My name is Newbie Parton. I'm a junior at Warren County High School. Quiz Bowl is one of my 7 clubs. Guys, don't forget to be awesome.
My name is Bo Cowles. I'm a senior at Warren County High School, and I am not a machine.
My name is Chad McGee. I am the coach of Warren County High School. I've been teaching at Warren County High School for 14 years, and I currently am the gifted coordinator and learning lab instructor.
I'm Jordan Salter. I'm a senior at Cookeville High, and I'm a member of the Young Democrats.
Hello, I'm Franklin Gong. I'm a junior at Cookeville High School, and I'm the member of the academic team.
I'm Brett Windrow. I'm in 12th grade and I go to Cookeville High School and I'm a member of the National Honor Society.
I'm Kurt Dunham. I'm a junior from Cookeville High School and I'm a member of Mu Alpha Theta.
My name's John Stewart. I teach social studies at Cookeville High School and I'm the coach of the CHS academic team.
I'm Jim Gray. I'm the Associate Director of Admissions with Tennessee Tech University. This is my 30th year with Tennessee Tech and I assist students in the enrollment process.
I'm Marge Rios. I'm a retired teacher from Livingston Academy, where I was the Academic Bowl team sponsor, and I'm here to be a judge today.
I'm Janie Bassett. I'm a retired Putnam County school teacher. I taught at Sycamore Elementary, and I'm a scorekeeper today.
Well, you've met our cast of thousands, so now let's begin our match. Team, are you ready? Here we go. Here's your first toss-up. A first magnitude star is how many times brighter than Warren County? Newbie?
10.
No, I will continue for Cookeville. How many times brighter than a second magnitude star? Too late? 2.5, 2.5 times. Next toss-up question. What is the largest and most powerful feline animal? Or Warren County? Newbie?
The lion.
No, can you take a Cookeville? Brett?
The tiger?
The tiger is right. 10 points there. Here is your bonus question. First part, how many s orbitals may there be in an energy level?
One.
1 is correct. And second, how many electrons can occupy an s orbital?
2.
2 is right. Both parts of that bonus correct. Here is your next toss-up question. In the Dickens novel Oliver Twist, who teaches Oliver and others to become pickpockets? Cookeville, Brett.
Fagin.
Fagin is right. 10 points there. Here is your bonus question. When two elements combine by transfer of electrons, what kind of bond is formed?
Ionic.
Ionic bond, correct. And second, when two elements combine by sharing electrons, what kind of bond is formed?
Covalent.
Covalent bond, correct on both parts there. Next toss-up, in the equation E equals mc squared, what does E represent? Warren County? Newbie?
Energy.
Energy is right, 10 points there. Here is your bonus question, first part. Who wrote the book Fahrenheit 451?
Ray Bradbury.
Ray Bradbury, correct. And second, in the book, what does Fahrenheit 451 refer to?
The temperature at which paper burns?
That's correct, at which books will burn. That is right, 20 points there. Here's your next toss-up question. Identify the generic term for a mounted warrior in the Middle Ages who practiced chivalry. Cookeville, Franklin.
A knight.
A knight, correct there. Here is your bonus question. Acetylene is commonly used in a gas welding torch. Give the chemical formula for acetylene.
C3.
C2H2. Second, give the chemical formula for methane.
CH4.
CH4 is right, 10 points there. Here's another toss-up question. In the old Soviet Union, name the small group of a dozen or so who made up the ruling apparatus of the Communist Party. That was the Politburo. Next toss-up question. Which U.S. national memorial celebrated its 50th anniversary on July 4th, 1991? The memorial is in South Dakota. Warren County? Bo?
Mount Rushmore.
Mount Rushmore is right, correct. 10 points there. Here is your bonus question. Who is the current head football coach at the University of Tennessee?
Butch Davis. Butch Jones, I'm sorry.
Which do we take? Got to take Butch Davis. Oh. It's Butch Jones. Cannot accept that. Second, who is the current head coach of the Tennessee Titans?
Mike Munchak.
Mike Munchak is correct. 10 points there. Next toss-up question. Identify the name of the type of atom that has either lost or gained one or more. Warren County newbie.
Ion.
Ion, so that it has an electric charge. That is right. Here is your bonus question. First part. Which gland of the body produces the hormone thyroxine?
Thyroid gland. The thyroid?
The thyroid is right. And second, give the word for the art or science of growing flowers, fruits, and shrubs. It begins with the letter H.
Horticulture. Horticulture?
Horticulture is right. 20 points on that bonus. Here's another toss-up. What international organization was the forerunner of the United Nations? Cookeville, Brett.
League of Nations?
The League of Nations is right. 10 points there. Here's your bonus question. In a mature plant cell, the membrane separating the cytoplasm and the vacuole is known as what?
Answer.
Pass.
That's the tonoplast. And second, in a cell, the membrane bounding the outer surface of the cytoplasm is known as what?
The cell wall?
The plasmalemma. No points there. Next toss-up. From what poem is this last line taken? Only God can make a tree. Cookeville, Jordan.
Trees.
Trees. Very appropriately. That's right. 10 points there. Here's your bonus question. In classical conditioning, a behavior that is normally elicited by a given stimulus comes to be elicited by a substitute stimulus. What scientist is renowned for his work with dogs in this area?
Pavlov.
Pavlov is right. And second, what scientist invented a system for classifying organisms?
Linnaeus.
Linnaeus is right. 10 points there. 20 points on the bonus. Here's your next toss-up question. With which country was the United States involved in the XYZ affair? Cookeville, Kurt.
France.
France is right. 10 points there. Bonus question. What is the value of I defined by the following assignment statement? I equals 3 star, open parenthesis, 2 plus 2, close parenthesis, star 2.
Answer?
24.
24 is right. Second, what is the numerical value of I defined by the following Fortran statement? I equals, open parenthesis, 1 star, 2 star, 3, close parenthesis, star, star, 2.
Answer?
12.
Now it's 36. 1 star, 2 star, 3 is 6, and then to the second power is 36. 10 points on that bonus. Here's your next toss-up. The river Rubicon, associated with Julius Caesar in the minds of many, is in what country? Cookeville, Brett.
France.
No, can you take it Warren County? Newbie.
Rome.
No, it's Italy. Can I take that? Next toss-up question. Speaking of which, name the town in Italy that was the home of St. Francis in the 12th and 13th century. Cookeville, Brett.
Assisi.
Will we take that? Judges? Yes? I think we can. Yeah, all right, Assisi. We'll take it. All right, correct there. Here's your bonus question. Arrange the following in increasing order of size. Gigabyte, megabyte, terabyte.
Megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte.
Correct. And second, arrange the following in order of decreasing time interval. Nanosecond, picosecond, microsecond.
Microsecond, nanosecond, picosecond.
Microsecond, nanosecond, picosecond.
Correct there as well. 20 points on that bonus. Next toss-up. What Asian country renamed itself Myanmar? Cookeville, Brett.
Burma.
Burma is right. Bonus question, first part. In humans, what type of twins are formed when both come from the same fertilized egg?
Identical.
Identical twins, correct. And second, what is the stage of the human menstrual cycle in which the mature egg is released from the ovary?
Menstruation. Ovulation.
Ovulation is right. 20 points there. That's the end of the first half, and our score is Cookeville 200 and White County 80, and we will be back with our lightning round.
"7,000 high school students drop out every school day. That's a line of desks more than 4 miles long. We can keep students in school. Visit boostup.org and take the first step."
My life is full of statistics. Thing is, I could have dropped out of school and become one myself, but I didn't, because I had people that believed in me. Here's another statistic. 7,000 students drop out every school day. That's 1 every 26 seconds. It's time that students know that we believe in them.
Inspire a student and share your message of support at boostup.org.
Welcome back to the WCTE High School Academic Bowl. Our match today features teams from Warren County High School and Cookeville High School. We have a correction on the score that we've said at the end of the first half. The ovulation stage answer by Cookeville was after the buzzers, so they've reduced by 10 points, and our score is now 190 for Cookeville and 80 for Warren County. We're going to have our lightning round now, and the categories are colleges and universities or Tennessee colleges and universities. And Warren County, you get to go first. Which would you like?
Colleges and universities.
Colleges and universities. I will give the school, you give the athletic team's nickname. 60 seconds. Are you ready? University of Florida.
Gators.
University of Michigan.
Wolverines.
Columbia University.
Pass.
University of Oregon.
Ducks.
University of California, Santa Cruz.
Pass.
University of Illinois.
Fighting Illini.
Mississippi State University.
Bulldogs.
University of Texas.
Longhorns.
University of North Carolina.
Tar Heels.
Virginia Tech University.
Hokies.
Columbia University.
Pass.
University of California, Santa Cruz.
The Banana Slugs.
Columbia University.
Tigers.
You have 9 correct. The one you missed was Columbia University. You did get the Santa Cruz Banana Slugs correctly. You have 9 correct. Columbia University Lions, 90 points there. Brings you up to 170. So now it's time for Cookeville High School with Tennessee colleges and universities. You'll have 60 seconds. I'll give the school, you say what city it is in.
Okay.
First, Austin P.
Clarksville.
Bryan College.
That's in Chattanooga.
Fisk University.
That's in Nashville.
Union University.
Pass.
East Tennessee State.
Johnson City.
Lincoln Memorial.
Pass.
Lee University.
Pass.
Tennessee Temple.
That's in Chattanooga.
Yes. Vanderbilt.
Nashville.
Freed Hardeman.
Henderson.
Union University.
Pass.
Lincoln Memorial.
No, pass.
Lee University.
That's not Memphis. Pass.
Union.
Gosh. Just guess Memphis. Memphis.
Lincoln Memorial.
Memphis.
You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 correct. The ones you missed, Bryan College is in Dayton, Tennessee. Union University is in Jackson. Lincoln Memorial is in Harrogate. Lee University is in Cleveland. So that gives you 60 more points and brings you up to 250, and good performance on that lightning round, teams, and we're up to 250 to 170. Are you ready for the second half? Here we go. Here's your first toss-up. The idea in the U.S. Declaration of Independence that all men have the right to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness is an example of what 2-word term set... Cookeville, Kurt.
Unalienable rights?
No, I will continue for Warren County. What 2-word term set down in writing by the 17th century philosopher John Locke?
Commons.
Anna. No. Natural rights or natural law. Next toss-up question. Who were the twin brothers placed together in the constellation of Gemini? Warren County, Anna.
Romulus and Remus?
No, I will continue for Cookeville. They were brothers of Helen of Troy. Time, Castor and Pollux. Next toss-up question. A worker lifts a 10-kilogram block of vertical height of 2 meters, assuming that the acceleration of gravity is 9.8 meters per second squared. The work he does on the block is what? Warren County, Newbie.
20 newtons.
No, can you take it, Cookeville? Too late? You have to multiply by the 9.8. It's 196 joules. Next toss-up question. At the time of World War II, who was the ruler of England? Cookeville, Brett.
Chamberlain.
No, can you take it, Warren County? Oh.
Winston Churchill.
No, George VI, the king, the ruler. Here is your next toss-up question. Ho Chi Minh, a 20th century revolutionary, is identified with what Asian nation? Warren County, Anna.
China?
No, can you take it, Cookeville? Brett.
Vietnam.
Vietnam is right. Bonus question, first part. Identify the first and last colors of the visible spectrum.
Red and violet.
Red and violet is right. Second, identify the U.S. state whose panhandle borders New Mexico, Kansas, Colorado, and Texas.
Oklahoma.
Oklahoma is right. In fact, Cimarron County on the end borders all 4 of those states. Correct on that part of the bonus. Here's another toss-up question. A person runs a mile in 8 minutes. How many miles will she run in 2 hours at the same pace? Time, 15 miles. Next toss-up question. Identify the scale named after an American seismologist that is used, Cookeville, Franklin.
Richter.
Richter, used to measure the intensity of earthquakes, is right. 10 points there. Here is your bonus question. 2 atoms of the same element with different atomic masses are called what? Isotopes. Bonus question.
Isotopes.
Isotopes is right. And second, alpha particles are nuclei of what element?
Helium.
Helium is right. 20 points on that bonus. Toss-up question. What T word means the central idea in a piece of writing? Warren County, Newbie.
Thesis.
Thesis is right, sometimes contained in a topic sentence. Correct there. Here is your bonus question. Who were the brother and sister of German folklore who are deserted by their parents in the woods and encounter the house of a witch?
Hansel and Gretel.
Hansel and Gretel is right. Second, what battle in 1811 near Indianapolis gave William Henry Harrison a nickname that helped propel him to the presidency?
Battle of Tippecanoe. Battle of Tippecanoe.
Tippecanoe is right. 20 points on that bonus. Here's your next toss-up question. What American educator compiled the Warren County, Bella?
John Dewey.
No, I will continue for Cookeville. Compiled the earliest American dictionary of the English language. Brett.
Webster.
Webster. Noah Webster is right. 10 points there. Here is your bonus question. In 1973, reporters Bob Woodward and Carl Bernstein helped the newspaper they worked for to win a Pulitzer Prize for public service. What was the name of the scandal that they uncovered that led to the resignation of Richard Nixon?
Watergate.
Watergate is right. And second, what was the name of the newspaper they worked for at that time?
New York Times.
No, the Washington Post. 10 points there. Next toss-up. In chemistry, any material that cannot be broken down into more fundamental, Warren County, Bella.
Element.
An element must be an element, correct. 10 points there. Here's your bonus question. What are giant high-speed ocean waves unleashed by earthquakes?
Tsunamis.
Tsunamis. And second, along what fault did the greatest series of recorded North American earthquakes occur?
The San Andreas Fault.
No, it's the New Madrid Fault, Missouri. 10 points on that bonus. Here's your next toss-up. Which of the Great Lakes borders Wisconsin, Michigan, and Minnesota? Cookeville, Brett.
Lake Michigan.
No, can you take it, Warren County?
Is it Lake Superior? Lake Superior.
Lake Superior is right. 10 points there. Here is your bonus question, first part. The graph of the function y equals cosine of x is symmetric with respect to what?
Do you want to say graph equals sine of x?
Defer to newbie.
Graph equals sine of x?
No, it's symmetric to the y-axis. Second, the graph of the function y equals the sine of x is symmetric with respect to what?
X-axis.
The x-axis?
No, it's the origin. No points on that bonus. Next toss-up question. What will happen when a particle and an antiparticle meet? Warren County newbie.
They will collide and release energy. They will destroy each other.
They will destroy each other. That's right. 10 points there. Here is your bonus question. First part. What two-word name is given to the figure who stands for England as much as Uncle Sam stands for the United States?
Queen Mother. Queen Mother?
No, it's John Bull. And second, identify the name for a system of government in which the power to make and execute laws is held by a legislative body.
Republic.
Republic?
No, a parliamentary system. No points there. Next toss-up. Name Pepin the Short's son who assumed the crown, Warren County newbie.
Charlemagne.
Charlemagne, king of the Franks in 774. Correct. Here is your bonus question. Time for some proverbs. How many does it take to tango?
Two.
Two, correct. And second, something readily available is a blank a dozen. What?
Dime.
A dime, correct. 20 points on that bonus. Here's another toss-up. Identify the simple past tense form of the verb freeze. Cookeville, Franklin.
Froze.
Froze is right. 10 points there. Here's your bonus question. Identify the past participle form of the verb lose.
He had lost.
Had lost.
Had lost. And second, identify the past participle form of the verb become.
Had become.
Become. Wait, you said had.
You said had become.
That's right. No, that's not right. It's have lost and have become. We cannot accept that. That's a different tense. All right, no points on that bonus. Here's your next toss-up question. This R word is a deep gorge worn by running water. Warren County, Anna.
Ravine.
Ravine is right. 10 points there. Here is your bonus question. What device measures the distance one walks?
Pedometer.
Pedometer is right. And second, what type of aircraft? That's the end of our match, and the final score is Cookeville High 340 and Warren County 290. A good match, teams. We appreciate it. Thank you.